All right, the select package, which consists of cosmetic wheel repair, paintless dent repair, key replacement, windshield repair, and roadside assistance. How long is it good for?
6 months.
How many miles?
6,000.
Unlimited. Unlimited. Okay? What's the deductible?
Depending on the result.
Zero. No deductible at all. But here's the problem. If I tell somebody I'm going to give them cosmetic wheel repair, it's going to go in one ear and out the other.
Thanks for calling me.
They're not going to have any idea what I mean. So we got to ask questions. We have to ask questions like, have you ever scraped a wheel on a curb?
Yes.
Okay? Happens to everybody. Did you look into how much it would cost to get it fixed? Most people don't. It's going to be anywhere from, on the low side, $100, on the high side, $200, depending on the wheel, whether it's painted or not, and how deep the gouges in the wheel are. But here's the key. Nobody gets them fixed, but does everybody end up paying for them? Yeah. How do they end up paying for them? When they trade or sell the vehicle, they're going to pay for it because someone's going to lower the value of their vehicle based on the cost it's going to take to fix those wheels. True story. 3 months ago, I traded my Honda in. It was a 21 Honda Pilot Black Edition, had 4 black alloy wheels. Well, none of the alloy wheels were black anymore. I had managed to scrape every single one of them on curbs. However, before I traded it, I told the girl that I bought the new vehicle from that it was going to take me a week to get back here and get the car. Well, I had a plan. Number one, I had bought a policy that covered my wheels, covered my keys, covered my dings and dents, covered my windshield. I had all 4 of my wheels redone. I had the dings and dents taken out, I had a key fob made, and I had the crack in the windshield fixed. So I brought the vehicle back. They brought the numbers out to me. They were going to give me $34,500 for my Pilot. I asked the salesperson if I could see the used car manager. The used car manager comes out. I said, David, I have a couple questions. He said, look, Steve, I know who you are. I gave you a good number on your vehicle. I said, David, I appreciate that. I said, I've got a couple questions though. He goes, fine, what are they? I said, how many dings and dents did I have? He goes, you didn't have any. I said, how did my wheels look? He said, they look brand new. I said, how many key fobs did I have? He said, you had 2. I said, did you see the crack in the windshield? He said, no, I missed that. I said, David, you missed it for a reason. I had the crack in the windshield fixed. I've got 2 key fobs because your service department did one for me 3 days ago. The wheel doctor just finished my wheels. That's why they look brand new, and I had all the dings and dents taken out. I spent almost $1,000 on a policy to make sure my car was going to be in top-notch condition when I traded it. He says, how about $36,000? I said, yeah, I'll do that. So in that particular case, it got me $1,500 more. Now I had to pay for that policy. You're giving your customers this policy for 6 months, but can they extend that coverage?
Yes.
Most people are keeping their vehicles longer than 6 months, correct? Make sure you let them know that they can extend that coverage, and it'll be discounted because we're giving them 6 months complimentary. So, cosmetic wheel repair will keep the vehicle looking better. It won't cost the customer a penny, which will lower their cost of ownership. But most importantly, it's got the potential to increase their resale value. Now,